girls jump and play, poppin', poppin' all the way. March, march, popcorn band, drums and trumpets in your hand. Crunchy puffs all dressed in white, dancing left and dancing right. One pops high, one pops low, watch them wiggle, watch them go. Spin around and tap your toes, here comes popcorn in neat rows. March, march, popcorn band, drums and trumpets in your hand. Crunchy puffs all dressed in white, dancing left and dancing right. Popcorn here and popcorn there, poppin' music everywhere. Clap your hands, shout hooray, it's the popcorn parade today.
In the playroom, oh what fun! Blocks and dolls for everyone. Trains go chugging round the track. Teddy bears give hugs right back. Toys, toys, let's all play. Laugh and giggle through the day. Building castles, racing cars. Imagination takes us far. Stacking blocks up high, high, high. Watch them tumble, oh my, my. Puzzles clicked in perfect place. Smiling faces full of grace. Toys, toys, let's all play. Laugh and giggle through the day. Building castles, racing cars. Imagination takes us far. Tea time with the teddy bear. Plastic cups and cookies to share. Little robots beep and roll. Every toy plays its own role. Dressing dolls in fancy clothes. Dino figures strike a pose. Cards and board games win or lose. Together's the best thing to choose. Toys, toys, let's all play. Laugh and giggle through the day. Building castles, racing cars. Imagination takes us far. Indoors or out, we dance and sing. With toys and friends, joy everything.
On a candy island, bright and round, stands a lighthouse, safe and sound. Striped like lollipops, pink and white. It sings so sweet and shines so bright. Twirl and spin, it lights the way for sugar boats that come to play. Over here it calls with glee. Safe and sound, come follow me. Gumdrops glow along the shore. Marshmallow waves crash with a roar. Lollipop Lighthouse shines all night, guiding the treats with candy light.
kids, it's the zombie dance. Wiggle your arms, shuffle your feet, stomp like a zombie down the street. Swing your hips, spin around, do the zombie dance, up and down. Pumpkins smile with glowing eyes, witches cackle, ghosts surprise, monsters join and goblins prance. Everybody loves the zombie dance. Wiggle your arms, shuffle your feet, stomp like a zombie down the street. Swing your hips, spin around, do the zombie dance, up and down. Tiptoe quiet, then jump high. Creep like a cat, then wave goodbye. Now clap your hands, it's your last chance. Join the fun in the zombie dance. Wiggle your arms, shuffle your feet, stomp like a zombie down the street. Swing your hips, spin around, do the zombie dance, up and down.
Hi everyone! If you enjoyed this
Chug, chug, goes, goes the tractor bright, rolling through the fields from morning to night. Big wheels turning, engine goes vroom, splashing through the mud with a zoom, zoom, zoom. Muddy chug, chug, splish, splash, spin. Tractor's got a muddy little grin. Digging, hauling, having so much fun on the farm till the day is done. Red and yellow, green and blue, all the tractors wanna chug, chug too. Pushing up hay, pulling a load, bouncing down the bumpy, muddy road. Muddy chug, chug, splish, splash, spin. Tractor's got a muddy little grin. Digging, hauling, having so much fun on the farm till the day is done. Look at the piggies go oink, 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 oink. Tractor honks with a toot, toot point. Chickens dance and the cows all moo. Everybody loves the chug, chug too. Muddy chug, chug, splash and play, working hard all through the day. Clean or muddy, rain or sun, chugging on the farm is always fun.
Step up them high, build them wide. Colorful blocks, side by side. Red and yellow, green and blue. What amazing things we'll do. Building blocks, oh what fun. Stacking towers one by one. Click and clack, watch them grow. Our block world begins to glow. Make a castle strong and tall, or build a house with a mighty wall. Tiny bridges, winding tracks, blocks go forward, no turning back. Building blocks, oh what fun. Stacking towers one by one. Click and clack, watch them grow. Our block world begins to glow. Make a castle strong and tall, or build a house with a mighty wall. Tiny bridges, winding tracks, blocks go forward, no turning back. Building blocks, oh what fun. Stacking towers one by one. Click and clack, watch them grow. Our block world begins to glow. Crash, oh no,
big and grand, with blocky feet that help him stand. Trains, cars, and planes zoom by. With building blocks we touch the sky. Building blocks, oh what fun! Stacking towers one by one. Click and clack, watch them grow. Our block world begins to glow. So grab some blocks, let's build away. A world of wonder starts today.
My nose. Let's fly a kite, shouted Lily in her bows. She held the string, I grabbed the tail. Our kite jumped high like a fish with a sail. Fly, fly, up so high. How high can you go, bright butterfly? Twist, twirl, loop-de-loop. Our kite's in a dancing group. Swish goes the tail, swirl goes the breeze. Our kite met a bird near the top of the trees. Hello up there, we all cried loud. It spun like a top, then dipped through a cloud. Over the rooftops, over the moon, sailing our wishes like a balloon. Close your eyes, let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Fly, fly, jump and glide. Our kite's on a rainbow ride. Up, down, all around, spinning like a silly sound. To the laughing, running, what a sight, what a day to fly a kite. And when the wind said nighty-night, we tucked our kite in oh so tight.
Come along, let's take a ride around the world far and wide. 7 wonders, oh what a sight, magical places shining bright. 7 wonders, oh what a treat, amazing places, oh so neat. Learning's fun when we explore, Let's discover and see some more. The great wall winds across the land, built by many, stone by hand. A dragon's path so long and wide, marching strong with mighty pride. In India stands the Taj Mahal, a palace white, the grandest hall, with marble walls that shine so bright. It glows like magic in the night. Christ the Redeemer stands so tall, arms out wide, he welcomes all. High on a hill in Rio's breeze, watching over the land and seas. Machu Picchu on mountains high, with clouds below and touching sky. Ancient stones with stories to tell, a hidden city that's really swell. Petra's walls in desert sand, a city carved by artist's hand. Pink and gold, a sight so grand, a secret world in a silent land. The Colosseum strong and round, where gladiators once were crowned. A stage of history, bold and brave, echoes of cheers from every wave. Chichen Itza, pyramid tall, where shadows dance along the wall. A Mayan world with secrets deep, where ancient wisdom seems to sleep. Seven wonders, oh what a show, history's magic in every glow. Let's keep learning, let's explore, because the world has so much more.
Hi everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to check out the next video.